Is that the cat? It's probably hungry. Hungry still? Patricia! 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 What? Look! Something's wrong with the ground! Something's wrong with the ground! Oh my god. I turned the sink on. No, wait. Well, my friend...
Be on anything you've ever done, Kat!
No, I didn't do it! My friend came over and she turned the sink on and then that went boom!
Okay, where's the phone? Oh, here it is back here.
Where?
Hello? Hi, my name is Patricia. We kind of had an emergency.
No!
The floor is, Kat, what's wrong with the floor?
Someone turned the sink on and then the top flew off and now it's ew.
Did you get that? Okay. Bye. They're sending over a plumber.
TV!
TV!
Yes!
Yay!
TV!
TV!
TV! Wendy Wu? Come on! The show just came back on!
Are you the plumber?
Mario.
Can you not? What's your name again?
Mario.
Right, now.
What kind of language do you speak?
Mamma mia.
Okay, can you listen? Kat, I don't know about this guy.
It's a fixed.
Thanks, Mary. How much do we owe you?
When to start?
This-
What?
Woohoo!
Cats?
Yes.
That guy's weird.
He has problems. TV?